Hello friends, welcome to Coding Theory Guru. In today's video, we will learn the different types of operating systems with examples. An important topic for BCA exams. We will cover batch OS, time sharing OS, real time OS, and distributed OS. Okay, first is batch operating system. Definition: in a batch OS, similar types of jobs are collected together and executed in batches without manual intervention. Working users prepare jobs offline, submit them to the computer operator, and the system executes them one after another. Advantages: high throughput for large jobs. Disadvantages: no direct user interaction. Debugging is difficult. Examples: IBM OS 360, early mainframe systems. See, first is batch operating system. Okay, in this system, similar jobs are collected together and executed in batches. See, imagine you have 15 similar homework sheets. Okay, you check them all in one go instead of one by one. In batch OS, jobs are collected, loaded, and executed one after another without user intervention. Okay, it's an example. It's efficient for large jobs but not suitable when immediate results are needed. Early mainframe systems like IBM OS 360 use this method. Second is time sharing operating system. Definition: a time sharing OS allows multiple users to share system resources simultaneously by rapidly switching between them. Working, each user gets a small time slice of CPU. This switching is so fast that users feel they have their own computer. Advantages: good for interactive systems, better CPU utilization. Disadvantages: more complex, requires careful scheduling. Examples: Unix, Multics. See, second is time sharing operating systems. This operating system allows multiple users to work on the same system, okay, at the same time. See, time sharing operating system. This operating system allows multiple users to work on the same system at the same time. The CPU switches between users so quickly that each other feels they have the whole computer to themselves. It's like multiple people talking to a fast typist. The typist listens to each person's for a second. Okay, all the informations typist listens to each person for a second, writes their work, and moves to the next person. Okay, and then repeats. Examples: Unix and Multics. Third is real time operating system, RTOS. Short form is RTOS. Definition: and RTOS responds to input or events within a fixed time limit, used in environments where timing is critical. Types: hard RTOS. Missing a deadline, it's catastrophic. Example: flight control system. Soft RTOS, missing a deadline degrades performance but is tolerable. Example, video streaming. Advantages, predictable response times. Disadvantages, expensive hardware and development. Examples, VX works, QNX, RT Linux. Okay. Third is real-time OS. Real-time operating system. These systems must respond to events within a fixed time limit. There is a time limit. In hard real-time system, missing the deadline can cause serious damage. Okay. See, real-time OS in these operating systems must respond to events within a fixed time limit. Okay, fixed time limit. In hard real-time systems, missing the deadline can cause serious damage. For example, in an aircraft control system, if the operating system doesn't respond on the time, then what happened? It could be disaster. Okay. In soft real-time systems, missing a deadline reduces performance, but it is not fatal, like an online video streaming. Example, VXWorks, RT Linux. Fourth is definition. Distributed operating system. Definition: a distributed OS manages a group of independent computers and makes them appear as a single system to the user. Working, the OS coordinates resources sharing and job execution across all network system. Advantages: resource sharing, load balancing, fault tolerance. Disadvantages: complex design and security issues. Example, locus and amoeba. See, distributed OS. Finally, distributed operating system. This operating system manages multiple independent computers. Okay, not one, multiple independent computers, and makes them work together, not independently, together. In distributed operating system, the operating system manages multiple independent computers and makes them work together as if they are a single system. Okay, it's like a different chefs in different kitchens working together to prepare a big feast, each handling their own tasks but coordinating with each other. Okay, example, see, locus and amoeba. Thank you.